Today we will be testing another top 5 Tradingview indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing another top 5 Tradingview indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 67 different strategies, with 18 of them being profitable. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. That was the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on the screen right now. I'll link to it up in the corner right now and link to it at the end of this video. If you're looking for a tested, proven profitable system, a trading strategy, then I highly suggest you check out that video there. We've also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 68 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today we are testing another top 5 Tradingview indicator. And so a couple of videos back, we did a video on the top 5 Tradingview indicators. I found a source video that's outlining these 5 different indicators, and the claim is that they are some of the best indicators, the top 5 indicators that you can find on Tradingview. And the strategy basically uses the single indicator as a strategy. And so we obviously tested the first indicator on that first video, and this will be the second one. And like I said, we'll do videos on the other 3 in the near future. And so this particular indicator, as per the source video, again was tested on the euro versus USD on a 5-minute chart. The indicator itself is the Madrid ribbon. So if you just go up and type in Madrid here, then it's going to be the Madrid moving average ribbon right here, the one with 24,000 uses, or ads, favorites, whatever you want to call it. And that's this right here. Let me actually move it up on screen like it would look. So this is how it looks in its default form. I moved it down below price action just so that way it's not quite so intertangled in the price action. A little bit easier to see, but we'll go ahead and we can move it back up here into the price action. So as per the source video, They said when all the lines, all the moving averages are green, that's going to be a signal to go long. When all the moving averages are red, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so the interesting part about that is that the source video didn't seem to put any kind of stipulation on the ribbon necessarily being under the the big solid line here for shorts or above for longs. Like I said, it just strictly went off of the color of the moving averages. And so what I found interesting about that was, for example, so to see the easiest way to see what color all the moving averages are is to look at their coordinates right here at the top, right next to the Madrid ribbon name. So you can see all those different numbers there are different moving averages. And if you scroll across those, you can see the color of them associated with the color of that particular line. And so as I move forward here, you can see right here that all the moving averages right now are a dark red color. And so again, according to the source video, that's going to be a signal to go short. And in reverse, if I move it forward here, you can see right here, they all turn green. It's going to be a signal to go long. And so I thought that was interesting that they didn't put in a stipulation that for shorts, for example, it needed to be below the center line here, and for longs above. But nonetheless, I digress. So go forward here and we'll take a look at a long trade. We'll just jump back here and look at this one right here. So we'll go ahead and turn the Madrid off. The signal is right here on that candle. The setup on this for a long trade is going to be enter right there on the close of that signal candle. We're going to put our stop right below that last swing right there, and we're going to target a 1.5 reward to 1 risk. And so 1 to 1.5 risk reward there. And you can see in this particular case, we have to take profit rather nicely there. We'll go ahead and turn the Madrid ribbon back on, and we'll scroll back forward to the short we saw right here. So we'll go ahead and turn that off, go for a short right there. We'll look at the last swing as being right here on this one, and you can see that even at a 0.8 or the 1 to 1, obviously we didn't make it to that take profit before it spiked right back to the upside there and did stop us out. So that's the strategy, how they outlined it using this particular indicator with the stops and the take profit. So before we take a look at what it was able to achieve in the testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool, and I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The last video that I did was on the best day trading strategy that we have created. It is a very profitable strategy. This video was on the Forex market, but I also have a video where we've tested it on the crypto market as well. In that video, I obviously show the indicators that we use, which are the private indicators that we have developed. And I've actually created a guide around that particular strategy, as you can see right here. Again, go back and watch that video if you are interested. But this guide basically contains the links to the private coded indicators that I was talking about. Big shout out to Mike from Upright Trading for coding those indicators for us. It also has the optimized settings of the particular indicators. It has the list of the specific markets and pairs or coins, as well as the different time frames that the strategy works on, as well as just general optimization tips. And so as I am testing this strategy on different markets and different pairs, different time frames, and so on, I'll be constantly updating this guide and putting it out for everyone, pinned in the Patreon only channel for our patrons to have easy access to understanding what the strategy works on, how it specifically works, and the optimization of everything. So a bunch of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the testing on this one. All right, so we tested across the 50 trades like we normally do in most of the advanced testing and the strategy test. Out of those 50 trades, we've got 19 winning trades. We've got 31 losing trades, puts us at a 38% win rate. Even with the larger take profit versus the stop, at 19 wins, the total gains, if we were looking at $150 profit per win, we're looking at $28.50 altogether. Losing trades at $3,100 per trade, obviously it's going to be $3,100. That puts us in the negative by $250 by the time we would have done 50 trades with this indicator using this strategy, take profit and stop. So obviously that one's not going to work out for us very well. Definitely not a top 5 Tradingview indicator. Again, if you're interested in a strategy that we have tested, we have developed, constantly working on and optimizing, check out the strategy that we're going to pop up on the end of the video here, the one I mentioned earlier, and put the thumbnail up of that one's a really decent strategy. We're constantly, again, trading it in real time on the Discord server with the patrons, and again, constantly improving, testing it on other markets and optimizing it. So that's it for this video. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.